love of aircraft has been something that's from my childhood. My father was an aeronautical engineer, and as a kid we would travel to, I think I've been to every single air show within a 3 to 5 hour drive of downtown Seattle. And I enjoy what I do. I enjoy working on airplanes, I enjoy being around them. CATIA is the right set of applications to cope with our electrical challenges. Some of the things that CATIA allows us to do that other softwares can't is to maintain a digital thread from the development of the harness all the way through the manufacturing of it and the installation of it. What we have done is created a model, a three-dimensional model of the wire routing that controls every other aspect of the build process. We use that model to flatten out and make form boards. We use that process to create CATIA Composer documents to illustrate the step-by-step installation and build of the harness, and we also use that same model to show them how to install the harness in the aircraft itself. We went from building a harness in the airplane the same way that they used to by bringing out wire and tape measures in a technical illustrator whenever we needed to design a new harness, to designing it in 3D, building it in 3D, and then seeing significant reductions in the build time, the quality of the harness, and reducing the amount of wire that we cut per harness. All aspects of the harness build were significantly impacted by the design. Without a tool like CATIA to be able to do that, we would still be building harnesses the same way we did in the 60s and 70s. Being part of the CATIA Champions program is a great honor. To being able to network with people from other companies, just from the knowledge that you can gain, to be able to find out how people are using the tools, find out answers to maybe questions or issues you've come up with, to see how we can better work together and share knowledge and make things easier for everyone.